Welcome to the world of Gaianet, a decentralized network where your computer can play a vital role. In this guide, we'll walk you through setting up your own Gaianet node using Docker, a tool that simplifies running applications like Gaianet. Think of a Gaianet node as a small server, contributing to the network's strength and security. Docker helps us set up this server easily without complex installations. No need to be a tech expert. This guide is designed for beginners using simple language and clear instructions. By the end, you'll have a running Gaianet node, contributing to a more decentralized internet.
Before we start, let's make sure your computer is ready for Gaianet. Don't worry, the requirements are fairly basic. Operating system Gaianet is compatible with Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Choose the one you're most comfortable with. RAM. 4 GB of RAM is recommended for smooth node operation. If you have more RAM, even better. Storage space. Ensure you have at least 10 GB of free disk space to accommodate the Gaianet node and its data. Internet connection. A stable internet connection is crucial for your node to communicate with the Gaianet network effectively. Once you've confirmed your system meets these requirements, we can proceed with the installation process.
Docker is like a virtual container that neatly packages and runs our Gaianet node. This makes setup a breeze. First, download Docker. Head over to the official Docker website and download the version compatible with your operating system. The website provides easy-to-follow instructions for installation. Next, install Docker. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the on-screen prompts. It's a straightforward process, just like installing any other software. Finally, verify the installation. After installation, open your command prompt or terminal and type. Seeing the Docker version number means you're good to go. Now that Docker is ready, we need the Gaianet software itself. We'll use a pre-built image, which is like a blueprint for our node. First, open your terminal. This is where we'll tell Docker what to do. Next, download the image, type the following command and press enter docker pull Gaianet/Gaianode latest. This downloads the latest version of the Gaianet node software. It might take a while depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, you're ready to launch your Gaianet node.
Step 3. Running your Gaianet node. Bringing your node to life using CPU and GPU. This is where things get exciting. We'll use Docker to create and run our Gaianet node. For CPU only, you can use the command docker run d, name my Gaia node, p12341234 Gaianet/Gaianode latest, and if you want GPU enabled for increased performance, use docker run de, name my Gaia node, gpos all, p12341234 Gaianet/Gaianode latest. Let's break down this command. Congratulations, your Gaianet node is now running.
Step 4, node control. Starting, stopping and restarting. You'll likely want to stop or restart your node at some point. Here's how. First, to stop the node, use docker, stop my Gaia node. Next, to start the node again, use docker, start my Gaia node. And finally, to restart the node, use docker, restart my Gaia node. Remember to replace my Gaia node with your chosen node name if you used a different one.
Step 5. Configuration adjustments, fine-tuning your Gaianet node. Sometimes you might need to adjust your node's settings. Here's how. The configuration file is typically located inside the Docker container. You can access it using the following command, docker exec it my Gaia node bash. This will open a command prompt inside your running Docker container. The configuration file is usually named or something similar. Use a text editor like Nano to open and modify the file nanoconfig.json. After making your changes, press then to save and finally to exit Nano. For the changes to take effect, restart your node using the command from step 4.
Step 6, identity shift, changing your node's ID. Each Gaianet node has a unique ID. If you need to change this ID, follow these steps. 1. Stop your node ***. Before making any changes, stop your node using the command from step 4. 2. Locate the ID file ***. The node ID is typically stored in a file named or similar located in the same directory as your configuration file. 3. Edit the ID ***. Open the ID file using a text editor like Nano and replace the existing ID with your desired new ID. 4. Save and exit ***. Save your changes and exit the text editor. 5. Restart your node ***. Start your node again and it will now have the new ID.
Step 7. Building your own node image. A deep dive into customization. For advanced users who want more control, you can build your own Gaianet node image. This allows for customization beyond the pre-built image. This file contains instructions for building your custom image. Create a text file named and add the following from Gaianet/Gaianode latest. Open your terminal and navigate to the directory containing your Docker file. Then run the following command: docker build mycustomGaianode. This will build your custom image with the tag mycustomGaianode. Now you can run your custom node using the command, replacing the image name with your custom image tag docker run d, name my Gaia node, P1234 to 1234, my custom Gaia node.
Conclusion, your Gaianet node journey begins. Congratulations, you've successfully set up your own Gaianet node using Docker. You're now part of a decentralized future, contributing to a more resilient and open internet. Remember, you can always refer back to this guide if you need to manage or adjust your node. Happy networking.